George here. I got the NAS and the server shut down. I'm getting ready to move this cage to the wall here. I had already installed the wall mount, but I really don't want to trust just that mount there to hold it up. So when I move the cage up, I'm going to be adding additional hardware where those holes are to support it at the bottom also. So I got to get the equipment out and install the cage up there. Alright, I have the cage installed on the wall here temporarily. I don't have the screws screwed in yet, but I am going to put a hole right here and a hole right here, and use my hardware to secure the bottom of this unit in place. Could also add another mounting hole there and there for additional security. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, the cage is now even more secure to the wall. Very happy about that. Now I'm going to be putting the UPS in the bottom, and then I'll be putting the switch in the NAS back in here. And I do have the hole open in the bottom for the power cord to go out, and the hole open at the top for the network cables to go through. Okay, on the bottom I have the UPS backup. This is a pretty big one actually. I got this a while ago. I had like a gift certificate to Best Buy I got for Christmas one year, and that's what I got with that. This is a nice fancy LCD display in the front. I'll show you that in a minute. And I did put the switch above that and the NAS above that, and of course we got the internet modem. And here's my 2 remaining 4TB hard drives just in here for storage. Now I did have a total of 8, but the first 2, which are the 2 I actually bought at the Hamfest, were no good. They failed. So I'm kind of not surprised, because they were kind of like loosely carried around at the Hamfest. So oh well. So now I'm just down to 2 remaining drives for backup. And then the server is on top here for now. All the equipment here is plugged into the battery and surge protection side of the UPS. And this is the front side of the UPS, and it has a little panel here that tells you current information about the power settings. Now my battery unfortunately inside here needs to be replaced, so I need to look into ordering new batteries for this unit. Simply because it will only operate the equipment for a very short period of time. So this thing is several years old, so yeah, the batteries are definitely shot in them. It's estimated it'll run for 4 minutes. So it's good if, you know, the power's off or a flicker or something, but it's not going to stay running for very long.